Hello students, it's another session of the private class with the Millennium Teacher. This is the class that teaches the lessons of life based on facts. The class that inspires, motivates, and transforms an individual into a better person. You're welcome to class. In our previous class, we discussed at length on the tests and exams of life, and we are able to learn some few lessons. Among them were the fact that our tests and exams are not beyond our levels, meaning our problems, our difficulties, challenges, etc. are not beyond our levels of life. They are meant for us and we are well capable of solving them. That was what we learned in the previous class. So in today's class, we will continue learning the lessons related to tests and exams. But our topic of discussion will be exam malpractice. So yes, exam malpractice is what you're going to study in today's class. Exam malpractice, I believe, is something that is common to every student. Yes, all of us who have been to school, and even those who are going to school currently, we are all aware of exam malpractice. But what is the meaning of exam malpractice? There are so many definitions to exam malpractice, but based on the research that we have carried out, we just look at 3 of them, and they are as follows. Number 1, exam malpractice could be defined as any active or passive action that goes against the rules and regulations of an examination. Number 2, any form of cheating before, during, or after an examination could be referred to as exam malpractice. Number 3, exam malpractice could also be defined as an illegal, unacceptable, and intentional behaviors of an exam candidate or student to enable him or her pass the exam excellently, or to give him or her an unfair advantage in the exam. That is referred to as exam malpractice. So this is just a basic definition from the research that have been carried out. So like I said, exam malpractice is not new to us who have been to school. We are all aware of it. As a matter of fact, every school-going individual is guilty of exam malpractice in some way or the other. Based on the definitions we have just had, anything you do in the exam hall that is illegal, that is unacceptable, you are not supposed to do it, could be referred to as exam malpractice. So we are all guilty of that. We have done so many things in the exam halls that were illegal. And so I believe every student is guilty of exam malpractice. For our study in this class, our focus is not going to be based on the exam malpractice that is related to the academic school, but that which is related to the school of life. Remember, in this private class, we teach the lessons of life based on facts. We have established here in this class that the world is a school and every man is a student. We have all been sent here to learn how to live life. We've also established that the challenges, the difficulties, problems, trials, temptations, etc., which we encounter in life are the tests and exams in the school of life. So having said that, we'll now look into the meaning of exam malpractice as related to life. What is exam malpractice in the school of life? Well, exam malpractice could simply be referred to as the illegal, unacceptable, and intentional actions which we carry out in the process of solving our problems. In other words, exam malpractice could be referred to as the evil or sinful or wicked ways which we use to solve our problems. Those are exam malpractice. We are all guilty of that. Every man is guilty of exam malpractice. It is good to know that exam malpractice is prohibited in the academic school and also in the school of life. It is prohibited. We are not supposed to involve in exam malpractice. It is illegal to solve your problems using the wrong means. It is illegal to face your challenges using the wrong means. It is illegal. So, I would like us to hold on to that till the next class, when we shall unveil a lot of facts about exam malpractice as related to life. We'll be learning the forms of exam malpractice, the causes of exam malpractice, the effects of exam malpractice, and also some possible solutions to exam malpractice in the school of life. And so follow up with the class so that you'll be able to learn more and more in life. Till we meet again, I have been your teacher, Solomon Joseph Kekura.